Hello aspirant, I hope you are doing fine. So in today's topic we are going to discuss the number system again. In number system this question is based on the LCM. So HCF and the LCM are the two subtopics under the number system. So this question is based on the LCM. So let's read this question. LCM of the three natural numbers 12, 36 and x is 180. Means the LCM of three numbers 12 into 36 into x is equal to 180. How many possible value of x attain means we need to be tell how many value of x we can put here, how many value of x we can put here so that we can find out कि कितने x आ सकते हैं. So let's first factorize the 180. The factorization of 180 means can write 290, 245, 315 and 35 means 180 is equal to 2 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 2 and 5 raised to power 1 means जो भी factor होगा x means the x factor जो भी होगा of 180 that should not have power of 2 more than 2, that should not have power of 3 not more than 2 and also that should not have power of 5 not more than 2 means 2 की 2 से ज़्यादा पावर नहीं होना चाहिए, 5 का 3 का 2 से ज़्यादा पावर नहीं होना चाहिए और 5 का 1 से ज़्यादा पावर नहीं होना चाहिए. That will be the factor of 180. So we should keep in mind the x we are taking here that should not have power 2 raised to power 2 से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, 3 raised to power 2 से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, 5 raised to power 1 से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. उससे कम होगा तो चलेगा. That will be the factor. Okay, so now let's focus on it. देखते हैं कि what can be the option here. So if I'm writing here, the first factor can be 2 raised to power 0, 3 raised to power 0 and 5 raised to power 1 is equal to 5. This can be the value of x. Yes, इसका value of x हो सकता है. That should have the 5 power 1 होना चाहिए, 3 not more than 2 होना चाहिए, 2 not more than 2 नहीं होना चाहिए. So first option can be the 5. Yes, 5 can be the factor. 12, 36 into 5 can be held the LCM of 180. Similarly, the second option can be 2 raised to power 1, 3 raised to power 0 and 5 raised to power 1 means 10. Yes, x की value 10 भी हो सकती है. Yes, x can be the 10 here. Similarly, in the case 3, it can be 2 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 0 and 5 raised to power 1 is equal to 20. Yes, 20 can also be the factor of x here. 20 भी यहाँ का भी हो सकता है. Let's take the another example. 2 raised to power 0, 3 raised to power 1 and 5 raised to power 1. 20 can also be the part of the x here. So 20 can be the value here, 10 can be the value here, 5 can be the value here, even the 15 can be the value here. But 25 will not be the value of it because 25 is a 5 square. But we need the power 5 raised to power 1. ठीक है, हमें 5 raised to power 1 maximum चाहिए, but 25 is not having the 5 raised to power 1, it's having the 5 raised to power 2. Okay, so the 25 cannot be the answer. So the what can be the factors of it? So we can write here the what can be the factor. The number one factor can be the 5, then it can be the 10, then it can be the 15, then it can be the 20, 25 नहीं होगा, then it will be the 30. After 30 it will be the 60. After 60 it will be the we can say the 45, it will be the 90 and it will be the 180. So these are the 9 factors or 9 value possible for the x here. अगर हम इसको match करते हैं according to this condition, if we are matching the question according to this condition, the power of 2 should not be more than 2, the power of 2 should not be more than 2, power of 3 should not be more than 2 and the power of 5 should not be more than 1. Power of 5 is not more than 1, power of 2 is not more than 2, power of 5 is also not more than 1. Even in the case 3 into 5 we can see here power of 3 is 1, power of 5 is 1. In the case of 20, power of 5 is 1, power of 5 is 2 is 2. In the case of 30, power of 5 is 1, then 2 into 3, power of 2 and 3 is 1. Similarly, in the case of 60, the power of 2 is 2 and the power of 3 is 1, power of 5 is 1. And similarly in the case of 45, 90 and 180. So here is the possible value is 9 here. So the answer of this question will be 9. This question is a little bit complex, but you need to understand the basics of the number system. जब हम basics पढ़ते हैं number system के specifically in the LCM and the HCF, you can find out these kind of the questions. कि factorization तभी possible है when the power of 180, जब हमने जो 180 के factors किए specifically, that should have the maximum power. तो उससे ज्यादा पावर नहीं आना चाहिए किसी भी फैक्टर्स का. सो वी कैन राइट डाउन हियर दिस कैन बी द फैक्टर्स. तो इट्स गिवन 12 into 36 into 5 is the prime factor. इस केस में 2 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 2 into 5 से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. So that can be the answer here. So in these factors, these are following the condition as mentioned here. So the answer of this question will be 9 here. So at Edukemy, we are starting our CSAT batch from the 15th of the September to understand the basic concept, how to apply the concept on a different kind of the question, and to solve all the kind of the PYQ question. Please join the batch. And for the daily practice, please join the CSAT for the UPSC Telegram channel of the Edukemy and solve your daily problems on the basis of the PYQs. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.